Hey y'all, and welcome to episode 2 of my fall series. Today we are doing some light cleaning and decorating in my living room today. I'm trying to like work up the energy, y'all. I don't have much energy today, but I gotta get this content out. I'm gonna pull out my bin from the garage of all of my fall decor and just start decorating. I did try to like do a little bit of decorating yesterday to kind of like figure out where I want to place things, but I just wasn't in the mood and I wasn't up to doing it, so maybe things will go a little bit better today. So I just thought I would just pull out the camera and get it done with y'all. I did go ahead and pull out the pillow covers that I showed y'all on the haul, and then I pulled out my pillow inserts. I will have everything that I mentioned that I can link down below in the description box. I'll try to leave everything in my living room down below, like my couch. I love my couch. I've had this couch almost a year now, and I love this couch. It fits all of us. We are a family of 5, so, and we're some big people, so this couch is like perfect for my family. My coffee table is from Crate & Barrel. I just got this rug from Amazon, and it just flows with my living room so well. The only thing is it's kind of like white cream, and it's kind of hard to keep clean. It's not, but it can be a headache trying to keep it clean, you know, because we live in our house. We don't just decorate and leave rooms as is over here. Trying to keep the rug clean, shoes and all of that stuff is a little bit crazy sometimes, but I love my rug, y'all. These ottomans I talked about on one of my other videos, but yeah, they are from Target and they're really good quality, y'all, and a beautiful brown color. I got 2 of these. I can't remember the collection that they're from. They might be Threshold, but I'll link them down below. I love them, love them, love them, love them. They're like a really pretty dusty brown that goes well with my rug and the flow of my living room. I'm just trying to update y'all on some things before we start decorating because I really haven't like given you guys like a tour of the living room in a minute. We've just been cleaning other places of the house. This stand was actually a shoe stand that I was using upstairs, and now I have it over here holding some decor and my books, and I just love the way it looks over here in the corner. I also have a mirror right there that I got from Amazon back in Germany. The stool is from Home Goods, and the baskets back there, I can't remember where I got those baskets from. It may be World Market, but I love those baskets too. They hold a lot of junk for us in the living room. The tree back there is from Target. Got that last summer, I want to say. And then the tables back there came from like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods, one of those sister stores. But I think I went over everything in the living room. My picture back there, a lot of people have this picture on YouTube because it is from Home Goods. But I love, love, love that picture, and I've had it for about three years now, maybe 3 or 4 years. All right, so I think that's enough of the room tour. If you have any more questions, just ask them down below. I'm so happy that the sun is shining today because we've had a lot of rain, y'all. A lot of rain, so it feels good that the sun is shining, and that kind of brightens my spirit too. But anywho, I'm gonna pull everything, pretty much like strip the entire living room of everything except for the big furniture, wipe everything down, clean dust, do all of that good stuff, and then we'll start decorating.
And you, can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow, the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us to. No matter what we go through, I'll stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance?
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes you know I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah, I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me.
All right, y'all, so now we are pretty much done cleaning. Next, we are going to start decorating. So I did kind of like rearrange some things on that shelf, but I'll probably end up switching around some more things. And yeah, because I'm not okay. I'm not sold on the shelf. It's a bit too cluttered for my liking. And then we're gonna probably be adding some pumpkins over there too. So all of that right there is not gonna stay. The pieces of furniture, that's pretty much gonna stay, but the shelf, we're gonna switch that around. The fireplace, we're gonna add some decor down at the bottom like it was, switch that around, coffee table, pillows, blankets, and just make the space cozy. My style, I'm really trying to not label myself into decor styles and just styles in general, just labels in general. But if I was to label myself, I would probably be like a cozy minimalist. I like urban cultured pieces, warm. I'm not really modern. It's probably modern, but I don't like to say modern. It's just so washed out. I'm simple, it's kind of boring. So I would just say like a cozy, warm minimalist maybe. But I will be decorating with greens, creams, chocolate, browns, just a whole vibe. So let's get into it.
Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. We're getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. My remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. Getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. I would try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crash just like a tidal wave. I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. We're getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. My remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. Getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me.
All right, y'all, so we are finally done cleaning and decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm going to just give you guys a quick little overview of everything I did, a little living room tour. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like the video. Liking, commenting, and sharing my videos help out my channel so much, so I would really appreciate it if you did at least one of those three. It's free, y'all. But thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's clean and decorate. I hope that this helped you or gave you some type of fall inspiration. Decorating truly brings me so much joy, especially fall decorating. I'm not sure what area I'm going to decorate next. I'm thinking the kitchen though, because it just goes with like the layout of my house. As soon as you leave the living room, you go right on over to the dining and the kitchen. So I think that's going to be next. Hope you guys enjoyed cleaning and decorating with me. I will see you all back on the next video. Bye, y'all.
I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me. Your phone. I should've known that time would show me your true colors. I feel I would play the fool. I should've known you would break all